Is snow shoveling a good workout? As an exercise and health researcher, I can confirm that snow shoveling is an excellent physical activity. It works both your upper and lower body, and these sorts of activities done regularly can reduce your risk for heart disease and premature death. After hours of research and after taking an expert advice, we have included top 5 snow shoveling product links in the description box for each product mentioned. Number 1, powerful electric snow shovel with a 12-amp motor that can move up to 430 pounds of snow in just 1 minute. The power of this snow sweeper is comparable to a gas-powered snow thrower. An electric snowblower with 16-inch snow clearing width, 8th snow cleaning depth, and 30-foot snow throwing distance. Snow clean machine for efficient snow removal. Earthwise Power Tools by ALM snow shovel with 6-inch rear wheels to make it easy to use in transport. Number 2, Gardenized Extra Wide Easy to Use, clear your driveway with ease, more snow with less effort. Suitable, 2-handed power grip lets you stand upright directly behind the blade to maximize power. Fast, this snow shovel has a reinforced blade with a steel edge, allowing it to clear through the snow in one pass. Quick hassle-free shoveling of lighter snows up to 3 inches. 4 inches. For driveways and walkaways. Number 3, Snow Joe high-speed dual-port chargers for rapid recharging. Self-propelled plus variable drive speed lever, featuring forward and reverse settings. Clear a path 24 inches wide by 17.5 inches deep in a single pass. At base of the unit, clears right to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Throws snow up to 40 feet away. Light up the night for safer nighttime clearing. Weighs 147.7 pounds, 2-year warranty. Number 4, clearing snow and ice from cars and trucks, day or night. INON abrasive, 18 inches. X 7 inches. Non-abrasive foam head pushes heavy, wet snow off vehicles without damaging paint, trim, or glass. Built-in ice scraper quickly clears icy buildup on windshields. Extension pole adjusts from 30-inch to 49-inch. Bracket holder secures pole for easy storage. Lightweight, weighs only 1.2 pounds. Number 5, Mallory USA Best Snow Brush, 5 rows of bristle foam grip with colored anodized aluminum. Highest quality and most economical price. The most durable product on the market. Colors may vary. Hand grip and pull style may vary slightly. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.